take your orders. But henceforth, nandito yung sa housing. Nandito si Lenny. She's in charge of the housing. Lahat naman ng next time you take orders from her. And the same order that she's supposed to finish her job on time. Hindi tayo pwede magbilangan. You know, we are so underdeveloped a country that by the nature of the laziness and indolence of some idiots, lalo tuloy tayong naging double the underdeveloped, whatever that phrase means. Kasi di ko talaga na... Kasi kung alam ko lang na wala pa pala tapos at 3 years from now, hindi pa tapos. Sabagay, pupunta rin ako dito kasi nandito si Vice President. Kung saan siya nagapunta, nagpasunod-sunod ako. Pero, biyuda kasi. Annulled man ako sa, annulled ako sa asawa. Pero may anak ako, basta masuportahan lang, okay lang yun. Ma'am, balita ko may boyfriend ka. Sabi diyan sa, huwag kang mahiyaan. Do not be offended, pero yung sabi nila, hindi yung totoo. Kaya kung totoo yun, may mapatay na congressman na bago. Para mabiyuda uli. You know, maybe the next time I'll sit down with her and some guys from Davao who were with me for the past 23 years that I was mayor. At baka lang makatulong kami. Hindi namin, I'm not saying that we are the only ones who have the expertise. But in hastening everything, makatulong sila sa input.